Welcome to JH. The Jet Flux pressure washer certainly sounds like it means business, doesn't it? It promises a lightweight aluminum build, comfy EVA handles, and enough nozzles to make you feel like a professional cleaning mogul. On paper, it's a leak-proof, rust-resistant dream for your garden, car, and home. It's basically the superhero of cleaning tools, if that superhero's only real power was looking shiny in a promotional brochure. But let's get real and look at the actual performance. When we dove into the Amazon reviews, we hit a massive red flag immediately, an overall rating of just 2.2 stars. That's the kind of score usually reserved for horror movie sequels or gas station sushi. Most buyers are reporting the exact same disappointment, claiming it works no better than the regular garden hose nozzle you already have sitting in your shed. In fact, some disgruntled owners found their old, crusty hose actually did a better job. So much for that high-pressure revolution. It gets even better, and by better, I mean significantly worse. Many customers reported receiving broken parts right out of the box, accompanied by a total lack of instructions and a build quality that feels about as sturdy as a wet paper towel. Those flashy TV ads and polished videos make it look like a professional-grade beast, but in reality, it just sprays water with the enthusiasm of a bored toddler. It turns out Jet Flux might just be fancy marketing speak for an expensive stick that gets you slightly damp. To be fair, a tiny handful of people thought it was fine for very light work, mostly because they had incredibly low expectations to begin with. However, the overwhelming majority of buyers are returning it and suggesting you just buy a decent hose nozzle instead. Is the Jet Flux legit? Absolutely not. It's a regular hose attachment wearing a tuxedo and pretending to be a power tool. If you're looking for actual cleaning results, save your money, unless you enjoy paying premium prices for the privilege of being lied to. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews that actually tell it like it is.